Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Today I'm bringing you a journal that I made for my grandson. His birthday is going to be on St. Patrick's Day and he'll be 20 years old. He takes great interest in all the journals I make, and he goes completely through them, takes everything out of the pockets, looks at everything, reads everything. So I'm hoping he'll like this for a gift for his birthday. Excuse me. Did a little different this time. I used, I have chipboard for my covers, and I did use Chip Sapphire Distress Oxide ink for this, and I used it on the pages. So I think that blue really looks nice on the papers. So, and this kit is from JaneyBJournals. It's a design team project, and it's called Song to the Moon. Alright, so she measures 8 1/4 by 6 1/2. I have 3 signatures in here. I did the twig binding again. I hope you can see I got a little moss in there. These sticks are sealed with 2 layers of Mod Podge, and then the back is just plain. I used a little fishing swivel to attach his little birthday on there. I just tied it up with just some suede cord here, and let's take a look. I didn't do a whole lot of frou-frou in here because, well, you know, 20-year-old boy, man, ew, that doesn't sound right. So anyway, we'll get started. All the printables in here are from the kit Song to the Moon from JaneyBJournals again. I used my tea bag tapping method to color the backs of my printable pages. Look at that owl. He's so cool sitting there just a-looking. Over here on this side I have one of the envelopes from the kit, and I didn't seal it. It just opens up, so if he wants to write in there, keep something in there, he can do that. I used one of the tickets to close it. And I've got my coffee dye paper here. I put a few stickers through here, little like nature things, and I got some clusters, but other than that, not a whole lot of decoration other than the pockets and ephemera that came with the kit. This was a postcard. I made it into a pocket. I used one of the tickets to put it as a tab, and then I've got a journaling card and a tag in here. This is the page that's the back of, I'll show it to you, but this is the page the cover came from. And I got another little sticker here, some more of my tea dyeing. I just have a little hidden paper clip up here. Little dear family there. Some of my coffee dyed paper. And this is just a little faux envelope that opens up fully, and he can write in there or stick something in there if he chooses. I just got that on there with a little paper clip. There's a foggy morning wispy page here. I think that's really pretty. Just got a little round number down there. Some more stickers. Just to have a tag attached with a paper clip here. Coffee dyed little sticker. There's a wolf howling at the moon, or singing to the moon. I just have a little hidden paper clip here. Nothing fancy on it. More stickers. Have a little collage down there. And this is the back, which is the front. So, and here I just got a little corner tuck with the tag. Another little sticker down here at the bottom. Another collage piece. There's a wolf tag. Just clipped on with paper clip. I put one of my folders in here. In the pocket here, I've just got some coffee stain paper to write on and a little owl tag there. Over here I've just got a piece of paper that I used to cover the inside. It was left over, and a postcard with a little ticket attached to it. And second signature is here. I just layered up a couple of tags, a tag on top of a flip tag. So there's, isn't that beautiful? That's such a pretty image there. All the greens and the browns. Just have another tag over here with the ticket clipped over the edge, holding it on, and with a paper clip. Little buck there. Got a big pocket here, just attached one of the journaling cards to the front, and this is actually a trifold ticket, or tag rather, that he can journal in if he'd like. Oops, and I had that on there. It's another beautiful page. Such beautiful images in this kit. Got another collage piece there. Got just a little piece of ephemera here. This was a little tryout with a gel plate there. This is just a page I just folded over, and I put a little piece from one of the leftover pages. Which, well, I'll show you what I did with the rest of it. Got an envelope clipped over here with a ticket holding it to hold it down. And then here is an owl, little journaling card. And then I put a ticket on the front as well. Like I said, I didn't frou-frou up too much here. Another collage page. There's a little bit more. Got a flip over here. Little collage there. Got a flip here. It's holding the other side of that paper. Just held on with the paper clip there. Make sure it stays in. Got an envelope up here, and again, this is some of my experimenting. If it just opens up, he can write in there if he'd like. Hadn't played with a gel plate before. I made my own, and I'd say it works very well. It seems to work as well as the ones I see on tutorials anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do a little bit more experimenting with that. Got one of the postcards I made into a pocket. I got 2 tags in here. You can journal on the back of those. Just got a tag here, clipped on the side. Just got a strip of music paper I needed circles cut out of for, so I just used the leftovers. There's the back, and here is our library pocket, and I finished it on Sunday, March the 7th. So there we go. Hope you guys like this. I had a good time doing it, and I was just thinking of, little things that he might like. There are some pictures that are going to go in here as well. But, yeah, I hope he likes it. Next, I just have a little sneaky peek of something here. We have a resale store in the next town over, and we went over there on Saturday, and I found this little treasure. It's a binocular case. Of course, there was nothing in it. It's got some guy's address on there. But anyway, this is going to be used for the next thing I have coming up. So just a little sneak peek at that. I want to thank everybody for stopping by today, and I want to thank all my new subscribers. I'm just crazy over the moon in disbelief of all the subscribers, and I sure appreciate it, and I sure hope you stay with me, and I hope that if you're just coming for the first time, you might subscribe as well. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I got something coming up. As always, thank you so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.